Hi guys, welcome back to Singapore for Everyone Hotel Review. Still with me, Fasa. So right now, we are in the Hotel JEN Orchardgateway, Singapore. We're staying in a Deluxe King in a level 20. So I will bring you around to have some little tour, a quick one. We'll go down to the level 19 to see how the pool looks like and many other facilities in this hotel. Okay, start from the beginning. From the entrance, we can find a luggage area here. You also can use it as a sitting area. It's quite comfy. Okay. Okay, then we'll continue the tour. After the first section, which is the hangar, we have the hidden ironing board down here. Ta-da! The carpentry design is quite nice. It's like trying to maximize the space that they have around here. If we realize that most of the room has like a warm color. Just under us is like the premium Orchard Road area. So this hotel is really located at the heart of the Orchard Road. Okay, let's continue our review. I know you will feel like it's so hot during the noonday. No problem. Let's take a look. They have like a day curtain and a night curtain, open and closed. Let's try. Voila! If you like privacy, this is the way to go. There are two types. This one, they call it the day curtain. Let's try the night curtain. This is the night curtain. What is the difference? The night curtain is like thicker than the day curtain. It will darken the rooms immediately. You can feel it. I also can feel it. Wow, it's really dark down here. I don't like this night curtain. Even at night, I don't think I will use it. It's really dark, guys. What do you feel? You don't like it? Me as well. Most probably I will use the day curtain. So take it off. Okay, we are done with the curtain and the view. So what we're gonna do is take a look on this king bed size mattress. Always come with 2 pillows. I want to see the thickness. Okay, this one is too soft, which is it's not my taste. But this one is it's firm enough. So that's all, just like a small table, bedside table. The good thing is they have USB charging power right there for the plug. Down there is just for the normal power point to charge the laptop and anything, and the phone. But one thing I really like about the room is the working area. Wow, look at this. It's big enough to work. One laptop here, phone down there, and take a look. Take a look on this. 2 power points. Bam, bam, 2 USB charging. Hotel JEN Singapore Orchardgateway. Good job. You really serve what I need. Okay, going to the mini bar area. As usual, kettle down here, and the ice cubes container if you need it, and the mini bar, standard 3-in-1 coffee, big one, and the black coffee, standard really Dilma, 2 cups, that's all, and the fridge down here if you start something, if you need it. Okay, I didn't tell you at the beginning. Once we check in to this hotel, we get the standard 2-room cards for the access, and this is the special. And this is the special Takashimaya tourist privilege. They have so plenty of the brands that you can have a discounts with this Takashimaya tourist privilege. What you're gonna do is just present the passport or the Takashimaya tourist privilege card to enjoy the exclusive offer. So, not bad. Take a look. Free upsize Yakun Kaya. So if you're a tourist, this hotel is one of the consideration for you. In terms of price point, it's not really like crazily expensive. You can gauge by yourself. Everything here is very clean. The furniture is new, well maintained. It's amazing. You can really go far away with your money. Okay, that's all. Done with the bedroom area. Let's go to the washroom. We're in the washroom area. Going down to the cabinet. We have a hair dryer. What they have? They have like a... I don't know what this meant. I don't know what is that, but bear with me, I will find out later. Another, they have a day curtain and the night curtain. What is this? Be ready. Why do we need the night curtain and the day curtain? Because of this. We have a bathtub down here with a view. Amazing. Day curtain, my favorite. So it's just the bathtub. Let me show you. Bathtub. Quite big. My height is about 177 centimeter. So yeah, I think I can fit in this bathtub. So you can imagine how big is the bathtub size here. Okay, let's end this room tour with the shower area here. The problem is there is no rain shower. We only have a hand shower. Not too bad, not a big problem. We still can survive. It's fine. We got the, again, for the body wash and the shampoo. And there's a small tube of the conditioner down here. Okay, that's all. We conclude our room tour. We'll go to outside. We'll explore more about the lobby, outdoor area, pool, gym, restaurants, and the surrounding area as per Singapore for everyone standard hotel review. You'll see me less in the next review because I don't want to hanging around with my camera and vlogging and disturb other people. More or less it's just like a normal walking tour. You will see. Let's go. Bye. Water tap, ultra filtered water. Let's try it. Fresh, no issue. Even in this room there's no water bottle. Yeah, this ultra filtered water is helpful enough. Ready to go. Ciao. morning, guys. Try to check the pool right now. What a good sleep last night. Whew. Okay guys, we are ready for the breakfast now. Kinda hectic for this timing from 8:30 to 9:30, but it's fine. We'll see whether we have some space out there. If we don't have a space to sit, then we go to the plan B, which is we'll go to the shopping mall, have some good coffee and come back for the breakfast. The good thing is in the weekend, the breakfast ends at 11 a.m. so we have plenty of time. Whereby in the weekday, they will end in 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So we have time, guys. Let's check it out how crowded the restaurant is. Nice. Thank you, sir.
Enjoy.
Yeah.